Surgery is powerful, but it isn't always the complete solution. We often need to help the body restore itself. This is where advanced biologics come in. They've transformed how we approach healing. So what are biologics? They are medical products from living organisms or their components. This includes stem cells, growth factors, and tissue-based products. Unlike traditional treatments that are mechanical, biologics work with the body's healing mechanisms. They adapt to promote healing, reduce complications, and improve recovery. The integration of biologics in patient care has major benefits. We use synthetic or cadaver-derived materials with growth factors, cutting down on pain and recovery time. Some worry that new technologies might diminish surgical skill. But biologics enhance our abilities, providing more tools when traditional methods fall short. They allow us to treat complex cases more effectively. What does the future hold? We're only beginning to explore the potential of biologics. Advances will lead to personalized materials that align with each patient's biology. Imagine stimulating cartilage regrowth or repairing nerve damage instantly. The future of healing is regenerative, and it empowers the body to heal itself. With advanced biologics, we are achieving things beyond our wildest dreams.